For this function, let's find the intervals where our curve is concave up and the intervals where it's concave down. First thing we might do is try to decide where is it in the shape of a smile and where is it in the shape of a frown. So right here, I see a smile. But up here at the local max, I see a frown. Now, the concave up shape is a U shape. Concave down shape is an upside down U. Somewhere in between those two extremes, it makes a transition, a change from frown to smile. We want to try to identify where that happens. I think by eye, it's right about here. Notice that the curve goes straight for just an instant there. And that's one of the things we want to look for, is a sort of straight section. And that makes this point a point of inflection. What we'll do is we'll use that point of inflection to subdivide our interval into two sections. On the left is going to be a region where our curve is concave down. And on the right is going to be a section where our curve is concave up. So the point x equals 2 is where it makes that change. So let's go ahead and list our interval of concave up. It's going to be from 2 to infinity. Not including 2 though. And for concave down, negative infinity to 2. The reason I don't include 2 is because it's neither concave up nor down at that point. Now for the point of inflection, we want to give it an x comma y coordinate pair. So it looks like 2 comma 1 would be a good answer to that. All right, now we want to try that same technique with this graph in the lower right. I'm going to first identify the points of inflection because that'll help me section it off into several subintervals. I'll use these 4 points of inflection. You could argue that might be one more over here, but I'll just use those 4. All right, let's subdivide our domain. And now let's figure out where it's a smile and where it's a frown. I see a smile there. There's a frown here. A smile between 2 and 4. A frown between 0 and 2. And over here we have just part of a smile. Okay, so let's label these. It's concave down from 0 to 2, and concave down from 4 to 6. But it's concave up everywhere else. Okay, let's list those intervals. From negative infinity to 0, it's concave up. from 2 to 4 concave up, and from 6 to infinity. I can't really see what's happening beyond that, but I'm just going to assume that the trend continues. The concave down, we have the interval 0, 2, and also 4, 6. Our points of inflection were 0, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 6, 5.